Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another episode of Chattin with Alana. I have no idea what part this is. I don't know. 30-ish maybe? I don't know. Anyway, few things I wanted to talk to you guys about. I'm happy to report the oldest is dropped off at college. 9.5, 10 hours away, and that was a lot harder than I expected it to be. Wow. Very, very hard. I'm super proud of her. Love her to death, but man, was that was really hard to drop her off and leave. She's doing good. She had her first classes, let's see, Wednesday. So you guys are going to be watching this on Monday. I'm filming it on Thursday, and then yesterday was actually the day. So Wednesday was her first classes, and she sent me a picture of her outfit, and she texted me and said she had a blast. So I was super happy with that. She's growing up. Oh, and I want to tell you guys, somebody commented, I have no idea on what video it was, but I was talking about dropping our oldest at college, and somebody commented and said, holy cow, you have kids old enough to be in college. I thought you would have had toddlers. Let me tell you, phones nowadays, whether you put it on or not, have amazing filters, so you can't, it's not showing all the gray in my hair. Only a little. But yeah, I'm no toddlers. I have a senior and a freshman in college. But thank you for saying that. That made me feel like $1,000,000. I like that a lot. I'm glad you said that to me. And then I was asked by like 5 different people if I would make them something. And they must have caught me at a perfect time, because any other time I'm not ashamed, or not ashamed, that's not the word I wanted. I am not, I don't shy away from saying no. I don't, typically I'll be like, nah, I'm too busy. No, I don't want to. But they must have caught me at the perfect time, because for some reason I couldn't say no. I said yes. So one of the things I was asked to make is a walker caddy. I'll insert a picture here. So I made that. And that square is actually the same square that I used to make an ombre tote bag thing that I have, a tutorial I have. And because I thought, man, I don't want to spend a bunch of time trying to come up with a pattern for this. I want to go with what I got and, get that done so I can move on to the other things I was asked to make. And then, anyway, I finished that, and I sent a picture of it to my husband, and he goes, honey, you need to make that a tutorial. People will go nuts for that all over on YouTube. To make for nursing homes and hospitals and things like that. So I thought, it is pretty easy to make. So I think I will turn that into a tutorial, if you guys don't mind that I'm using the same pattern on a different block. Anyway, so I have decided I'm going to turn that into a tutorial. And then I was asked to make a doll that looks like someone. And I actually took the doll to Wisconsin when we were driving in northern Wisconsin. And somehow I finished the entire doll before we even got there. So we got there Thursday morning. Or I'm sorry, Friday morning about, well, no, it was Friday at like 2. So Friday at like 2, I got this doll done. Eyes put in, all the ends weaved in, stuffed, everything. This doll is done. And so I thought, well, it's only Friday and we don't go home till Monday. What am I going to crochet this entire weekend? Like, dang it. I just kind of pigeonholed myself there, What am I got the doll done, but what am I going to do all weekend? And I thought about going and buying yarn, but I was just like, no, I don't want to buy yarn, because I have plenty of yarn to make this. So I got the doll done. I got the hat, or I don't know, clothes to make, and I think she asked for a receding hairline, which I'm gonna try to figure that out. I've made a wig cap, but I've never made a receding hairline wig cap. So I'm gonna try to get that, and then where was I going with that? Oh. excuse me. I finally have the owl made all the way up to where I'm missing my first chunk of video. So if you guys don't know, in I don't know, a couple of videos ago, I posted a video saying how upset I was at myself because somehow I don't know how I didn't import or export a video, 2 videos actually, from my phone to my computer to edit and render, all that fun stuff. And so that means that I had to completely remake this owl wall hanging piece that I've done to get caught back up to the first piece of where I'm missing the video chunk. So I'm up to the first piece, so now I can film this piece and get that video is ready to go, because I have 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, part 1, 2, 3, and 4. So part 1 is good, part 3 is good, part 2 is missing the last piece and then the exit portion of the video. So once I get that filmed, these 3 parts will be ready to go, and then, pardon me, part 4, I'm missing the foot, crocheting the foot, which isn't bad. So I'm so far up to where I'm ready to need to be fixed. I'm excited about that because now I'm not so upset about messing the whole thing up. Which, oh man, that I was so angry about that. Let's see, what else did I want to talk to you guys about? Oh, I think I have just officially decided there is no way I am going to be able to get that filet crochet piece done for my mother-in-law in time for Christmas. I think I may make it a, maybe an Easter present or something. There's no way I can get that done. I'm so far, but I think it's 205 rows, and I'm up to row 70-ish, maybe. And there's no way I can get caught up with that. Ugh. I want to. I really want to have it done, but there's no way. Let's see. What else did I want to talk to you about or tell you about? I can't believe I'm yawning. So we, after we dropped my daughter off at college, we hung around up there just in case, you know, we didn't want to just drop her off and leave. We stayed around just in case there was something, you know, that she may need or anything. So then we decided Monday we were going to get, the, sorry, I had a text across there. That just completely threw me. Oh, sorry. So Monday we got up at 4 a.m., got the truck loaded, and left at 5:20. I think we pulled out of the driveway and drove straight home, and we got home about 4:45, I think it was, because we all had bets. My husband, myself, and Jalen, the youngest, we had bets about what time we were going to be home. Jalen said 6, I said 5, and Matt said 4:18, and we got home, I want to say it was like 4:44 or 4:45. We pulled in the driveway, and I was like, well, neither one of us won, so or yeah, anyway, I was glad to be home. But the reason I say that is because we got home Monday, and I got everything unloaded, got the house straightened back up, laundry going, and then Tuesday morning I had to be up at whatever time, get my daughter to the doctor's appointment because she had her checkup, get back home, get her to school, start working on this walker caddy, work more on the owl, and then I took our upstairs window unit out, our upstairs air conditioning window unit out. And then I had posted on Facebook with my Monday video saying, it feels like fall here, yada yada yada. No, I lied to you guys. It does not feel like fall. It got back up to like 85, 90 degrees, and I'm like, one day of that without the air, I'm like, nope. I am not made for that. I want our air conditioner back in. So Monday night, it was, I keep saying Monday. Tuesday night, it was super hot. And Wednesday morning, I had to get up. I had a doctor's appointment, so I had to go to this doctor's appointment, come home, and I put the air conditioner right back in the window, finish the caddy, and then here I am now. And my husband and I are both just beat. Like, the reason I say it is the reason I keep the reason I'm telling this story is because I keep yawning, and I want you guys to know why. We are just like run, and we have a volleyball game tonight. We had a volleyball game Tuesday. Is that right? We got home Monday. Yeah, we had a volleyball game that night, another volleyball game tonight, and it's just like, it's non-stop because today's Thursday. Wednesday night we didn't have the volleyball game. So Thursday I had the doctor's appointment, come home, crochet a bunch, film this. Once I get off here, I need to keep working on, I'm going to work on my next tutorial, which is going to be the caddy. Not the owl will be the next one you see, but the next one in my lineup is going to be the walker caddy. So I need to figure out colors for that. And then go to a volleyball game, come home. Friday, I don't think I have anything on the agenda, but I need to film the next video for Cooking with Alana, which is going to be a low calorie, low carb dessert. And I'm really excited about it because you just make it all in a coffee pot or coffee mug and microwave it. And it's really easy. Yeah, so one thing after another. I can't get a break. I'm so tired. Where is that coming from? Like, I am never tired after running all the time, but it feels like here lately I'm just like, oh, I'm beat. I can't get enough sleep. There it is again. Comment down below if you yawned with me, because I yawned. You know how they say yawns are contagious? You can pass them on. Somebody else yawned. I'm telling you, I know it. Oh boy, but that is it. I think Friday I'm going to do let's do another magazine flip through. I think I'm ready for another magazine flip through. Other than that, I mean, I'm trying to think of what else to talk about, but I don't have anything else. I'm tired. Anyway, I am going to get off here. I'm going to go pick out some colors for the caddy, the walker caddy. And then get ready for a volleyball game. Oh, and I gotta make dinner. Put a smile on. It's happy. It's okay. Alright, I'm gonna get out of here. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't so you don't miss what's next. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.